Today we are going to see about the kittens, which is a very beautiful poem. If you not yet subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Kindly click the red color subscribe button and click the bell icon to have a notification. If you like this video, kindly give a like and share and comment. Thank you. The Kittens by Maki Gurushi. The Kittens, which was written by Maki Gurushi, and it is a very interesting poem. The Kittens. When you hear the word the kittens, what comes in your mind? Automatically, you may have the picture of the kittens. Yes, we all like kittens. How the poet described the kittens, we'll see. There are too many kittens. Even the cat is dismayed of this overestimation of a stock and slinks away. Kind friends cannot adopt them all, my relatives say. Take them to a bazaar and let them go each to his destiny. They will live off pickings, but they are so small somebody may step on one like a tomato. So here, see, there are too many kittens. The mother cat has too many kittens. The mother cat itself is dismayed. Dismayed means to depress the courage. It doesn't have any courage and it is going on thinking how the cat can feed the little ones, and this overestimation of a stock and slinks away and calculating of the stock. So it is going on thinking about the stock which that cat has, the food and how to feed the kittens. These are the question arises in the mind of cat, and it slinks away. It walks slowly away from that kittens. So the mother cat himself, or the mother cat herself, thinking that how could feed my kittens? I don't know. So I can do my best, but I don't know how to grow these kittens. So I am going away from this kitten lightly, so walking slowly, like stealthily. It comes away from that kittens, and that mother cat is telling that kind friends cannot adopt them all. So the kind friends also cannot adopt them because they themselves have so many kittens. And my relatives say, take them to a bazaar and let them go each to his destiny. They will live off pickings, but they are so small somebody may step on one like a tomato. My relatives also telling, mother cat is felt very sad because their relatives telling that take those kittens and leave them in the bazaar. Let them eat and let them feed themselves. They can eat by the off pickings, they can eat by themselves. Like that the relatives are telling. But even though they are telling, but they are thinking that it is very small. The kittens are very small. Some may can stamp on the kitten because like a tomato they can smash my little one. Like that the mother cat is feeling sad. Or too fastidious to soil a polished shoe will kick it out of his spot. And then if some people in the bazaar, if they want their place to be very clean, and if they don't want to spread the soil on the clean surface, they may kick the kittens. They may kick with their polished shoes. They may kick the kittens. And if because of the path must be clean, because of that reason they may kick the kitten with their polished shoes. If they survive the god dogs and battering heels, they will starve gently. So the poet is telling that, see, the mother is telling that if they survive after kicking by the polished shoes, if some kittens, they may be food to the, they may be what? They may be become a food to the gaunt dogs, which means the dog which is very hungry. The dog can go and kill the cat, my kitten. They can kill my kittens. And if they survive the god dogs and battering heels, they will starve gently. Even though they lived but because of the starving, my kittens may die and squilling a little less each day. So what, the men will kick my kittens and the dog will eat my kittens, and because of the food also they may die. So it's a very very pathetic one. And day by day my little one, that is squilling means screaming of the mewing, it mews very very nice. That little ones, the kittens mews will reduce day by day, each and every day it little less it going on down. Like that the mother cat is felt very very bad about that kittens, because it cannot feed the little ones. So the polished shoes will kick and the dogs will eat my kitten, and even though they live they will die with the starving. And these are the thing. And then next the poet explained in the view of mother cat, telling that the European thing to do is drown them. Warm water is advised to lessen the shock. So the Europeans, no, the European will do the cat by drowning. So even they drown also, they won't use cold water, they use the warm water. When they drown the cat, they use the warm water to give a shock, that is a lessen the shock. They are so small, it takes only few minutes, it takes only a minute, you hold them and turn your head. Here the Europeans will drown the cat and it may die, and even though they use the warm water. And what happened, it is a very very small, the kitten is a very very small, there is a no much time to do that, it's a very very a minute to hold them and to turn your head away. So they may turn your head, that is the cat is telling to the mother cat is telling to the kittens, they may turn your heads because you are a very very small, like that the mother cat is telling. Then the water shatters, your hands are frantic eels. Frantic eels is nothing but fish. See, the water shatters. If anything like a dog, cat or anything, if we drop into the water, when we take it out, the water will shatter, isn't it? So same way, the fish, what it does, when it comes out of from the water, it will shatter. So how they look, oddly like landed fish, their blunt pink mouth. When the fish come out of the water, what it looks very pinkish, because if they are not water means it will have something. Same way, after that the water shatters on your hands, and or frantic eels, oddly landed like a landed fish, their blunt pink mouth. So that kittens, the small kittens, no, it comes from the water which drowned by the European, which after coming out of the water it shatters like a fish and it mouth, and the kitten mouths, no, it is the very very pink in color, and it open and shut like a fish. And legs strike out each claw, a delicate nail paring is bad. So when the kittens lived during that time, its claws were very very beautiful, the claws are very very beautiful, and the claws are joined with the nails, and it's very very beautiful. Each claws is a very delicate one, and it is paired. But after it dropped in the water and take it away from the water, it is looked like bad one, which is uncovered one, and they are blind and will never know you did this to them, because the cat will become very very blind. They don't know who done it, because it becomes very very blind, and without anything they believe you, because the human beings, they don't know which human harmed them, even though after what happened to them they don't know, because they are all blind. You human beings have done it, they themselves don't know, because they are all like a kittens, they don't know anything. The water recomposes itself, so because of water it recomposes to make himself again a proper one itself, and snagged, and it is thinking the issues what to choose. By two culture, which shall I choose? After coming out of these, after struggling so many things, the kittens are thinking that I don't know which culture I need to follow, whether mother or the people who killing the kittens. I don't know which culture to choose. The kittens are thinking whether one who cares, the mother, or either a mother or a person, the human beings who destroying us or who killing us, like that the kittens have felt very, very sad. Same way here the poet is comparing to the human beings life, how the kittens, there is a no chance, and it is very, there is a no way, it doesn't know how to choose and which one to choose, whether one who cares or one who destroy. Same way the human beings don't know which culture they want to choose. This is the poem which was written by Maki Guruji. It's a very, very interesting poem. See, if you like this poem, if you like this explanation, kindly subscribe my channel and give me a like and share among your friends. If you want anything to be explained, kindly give in a comment box. I'll try to explain you. And thanks for your watching. Keep watching my channel and give your support. Thank you.